Hello there. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Shrishna, and do you know something? For centuries, people throughout the world have used bitter melon, also called bitter gourd, Karela, in food as medicine. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it is the most bitter of all the fruits and vegetables. It as an antibacterial agent, an antioxidant, and an immune system modulator. They have also used bitter melon to help treat or prevent diabetes, inflammation, constipation, ulcers, respiratory diseases, malaria, cancer, nutrients apart from its possible antioxidant and antibiotics properties. Bitter melon contains other important nutrients. These include protein, carbohydrates, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, zinc, vitamin C, A and B, etc. Chop 1 to 2 bitter gourds and soak them in the water overnight and drink next day early in the morning. So now you know how consuming these ingredients are going to work for you. Thanks for watching.